Hello everyone. This video is specific for how to read standard normal table. So for the standard normal table, we have two pages. One for the z-values that are below 0, and then the second page is for the z-values are above 0. And again, standard normal table is finding the probability of the area or find the area below z, so to the left of z, or find the probability that is z smaller than a specific z-score. So for example, if we want to find the probability of z smaller than 1.65, then how can we read the standard normal table to get that number, that probability? And again, smaller than sign is very important because this is to the area to the left. So only when you see the smaller than sign, you can directly use the table. Otherwise, you need a few more steps to transfer the smaller than the sign other than smaller than to smaller than sign in order to use the standard normal table. So then if we want to find probability of z smaller than 1.65, then we separate. So since the table, the z-scores are round to 2 decimals, so this is the 3.4, and then we have 0.4 what, the second decimal place, negative 3.40, negative 3.41, negative 3.42. So again, for example, this 2 gonna give us negative 3.43. So simply add those that 0.03 to that second decimal places, and then you got negative 3.43. Then if we want to read the number 1.65, then we go first check 1.6. So 1.6, that's positive number, right? So we go to the second page and then we circle 1.6. So right here. And then 6 what? The second decimal places is 5, right? So 1.65. So we go to the 0.05 column. So 1.6 row meet with this 0.05 column. So then we have the reading 0.9505. Then we can just write it down, 0.9505. Let's double check. 0.9505. That's the probability of z smaller than 1.65. And then that's how we read a standard normal table. So we call this type of reading the regular type of reading, or we call it the outside in. So knowing the z-score, we want to find the probability or find the area. That's how we do it. And of course, we have we can also read the table the backwards, right? Given 0.9505 was the corresponding z-value that we have. So then the question going to be probability of z smaller than what number? So we use a square, a rectangular here to represent the value that we don't know yet. Probability of z smaller than what equals 0.9505. Then we're gonna look at what. So this is called out, inside out. Inside out reading or backwards reading. So we go check the number inside the table which represent the probability 0.9505. So we find that value. And then we try to know what z-score is corresponding with that value. So we go to the left and then circle 1.6. And then we go to the top and circle 0.05. And that tells us the reading is 1.65. And then we write down 1.65. So probability of z smaller than what? Smaller than 1.65 equals 0.9505. So that's basically two types of questions. One is the regular reading, or we call it outside in. And then another type is inside out reading. Use the table backwards. Okay, that's all about the standard normal table reading. And thanks for watching.